Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Truly Artrageous. I'm Neil, and today we are drawing a pink flamingo. But before we do that, I just wanted to let everybody know, in case you don't know already, every Monday and Thursday, we're gonna be posting brand new videos to the channel right here. So be sure to come back every Monday and Thursday to catch more. All right, let's get into our drawing of the pink flamingo. Here we go. Okay, let's get started on our drawing of the flamingo. So for this one, you're going to need a piece of paper, a drawing utensil. You can use a marker like I'm using or whatever is most comfortable for you. And then when we get to our coloring step, this is the color palette that I'm using. Flamingos are pretty simple, so it's just pinks and white, and that's pretty much it. One more thing, super important. If I'm going too fast in the tutorial, please feel free to hit that pause button or rewind. I want you guys to have lots of fun while you're drawing. Okay, step number one, we're going to draw the top of the body. So that starts at about here in the center of your page almost. We're gonna curve a line up, over. We're just gonna keep carrying that line all the way over and down, and then it's gonna curve up like this. Then we're gonna take a line and curve back in like that. Then we're gonna curve down, then back up again. So it almost looks like there's a beak on this side, but I promise you it's feathers. All right, so we'll pull this line down to curve the bottom contour of the body here. Gonna make a little bit of a dip for where the leg is and come back up into the body, and I'm just gonna cap that off with just a kind of a curved line like that. And then we're going to draw another curved line that stops right there. Next, we're going to draw the neck. So the neck comes down like this. It's gonna go back up into the body. Then it's gonna come out and around like that. Then the bottom side's just gonna mirror that top part. We're just gonna go down like this, around, keep going around, and up like that. Next, we're gonna draw the head. So we'll do the top part of the head here. This just kind of comes out a little bit and down like that. The bottom part's pretty simple too, just a curved line into like there. Next, we're gonna draw the beak, and the beak is pretty interesting because it actually looks like at one point the flamingo's beak was really straight and then it hit a wall, and because it looks like it got smushed. So I'll show you what I mean. So we're gonna draw like a straight line out like this, then a curved line down like this, then another curved line back in like this, and then a straight line back in like that. And then we'll cap it off with almost like the top of an arrow. So this comes up like that, goes back in like that. Next, we'll put in the flamingo's eye. So it's just a circle. So it goes down and around like that, and just leave a little bit of open space for the light source. Next, we'll draw the mouth. Mouth is also weird because it follows the contours of the beak. So we're gonna start right here. I'm gonna pull a straight line down like this, another straight line in like that, and then we're going to draw some indication lines here and color in black because the tip of a flamingo's beak is black. So we're gonna draw a line up like this, and then another line down like this, and then we'll just color in the end of the beak, just like that. Next, we'll draw the legs of the flamingo. So they're gonna start up here, and they're gonna kind of come backwards a little bit, not too far though, to about here. We're gonna draw another line in here, and it's gonna kind of pinch as it gets towards the end here. Next, we'll draw the, I don't know if it's a kneecap, but it's where the top leg bone meets the bottom leg bone. So whatever that's called, I'm not sure. So this kind of comes out like this. It's almost like a diamond shape like this, like that. And then we're gonna draw the bottom part of the leg, which kind of comes outward a little bit, down to here. And we'll just keep pulling it down to there. Next, we'll go ahead and add that foot. So we're just gonna pull this line just a little bit further down, and then we're gonna pull a straight line out like this. Another line goes out like this, and then another line goes out like this, and we'll just cap those toes off and leave a little bit of a claw, because they do have claws. Curve in like that, And a little bit of claw like that. And there's your foot. Next, we're gonna draw the leg on the other side of the body, and we're gonna have this leg pulled up because that's the way they stand sometimes in nature. Okay, so you're gonna start with the line over here. You're just gonna pull a line almost diagonal like that. Then you're gonna do another one coming over and down like that. And pretend this kind of goes through here. We're gonna pull this out like this. Same thing on this side, out like this. And then the shape of the foot is kind of like, I don't know what shape it is. We'll just do it together. Here we go. All right, pull a line down like that. And then another line goes down like this. And then you'll have one in the middle like that. Draw that claw on there. Same thing on this side, claw on that side. And there you have it. All right, let's do some feathers. So the first set of feathers we're gonna do starts right here. And we're gonna pull a curved line over like this, and then around like this. And then we'll do another one like this. And we're just gonna keep drawing these little, I guess, J shapes until we get to the bottom part of the body. All right, the next set of feathers is gonna be a couple just indication lines and then a couple more of these J shapes here. So we are going to start here. We're gonna curve a line up like that. A little straighter than that, Neil. There we go. And then another one up and over like that. And just gonna keep these going along like this. Then when we get to here, we're gonna pick up the J shape, just like this. Like that. Same thing on this side. J shape up into the top contour of the body there. I'm gonna make my lines a little more even too. And then we'll just put a last indication line here to separate the top tail feathers from the bottom tail feathers. All right, and there's your line work for your flamingo. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dirt joke. Okay. How does a penguin build its house? Igloos together. All right, let's move on to our coloring step, and I'll do that at super speed, starting right now. All right, there you have it, your fully colored pink flamingo. Thanks everybody for drawing along with me. I hope you guys had lots of fun. I bet your artwork looks amazing. Hey, if you want to support the channel, go on down below, click that subscribe button so you're getting our latest videos, and smash the like button while you're at it. And don't forget to have a good day, wherever it is you are. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.